Hey everybody, today we're gonna go ahead and take a look at changing out the burnt out license plate light on any car, but for today it's for a 2016 Volkswagen GTI. It's a very easy process. I have the new lights here. It's literally all you need. Don't even need any tools. As you can see, the one on the right here is burnt out and I've been getting a notification for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it and show you guys how to fix it. I'm gonna replace it with two new LED lights. These were $8 on Amazon, so let's see if they do the trick. Now to get the light out, it's very easy. All you have to do is just push that. Pull the light out a little bit. This guy, thumb up on the red tablet. Then just want to finagle this guy out. Go ahead and pull out the old burnt out bulb. It says these are compatible, so let's see. Yep. Damn. Bright as hell. So very nice. That one's good. We'll go ahead and get the other guy here. It's not burnt, but might as well do them both. It's the same thing. Lift up the red tablet. Go ahead and twist. Pull. Light straight out. Woo, that sucker's hot. All right. Bulb number 2 works good. Go. Boom. So yeah, as you can see behind me, they work very well for $8 and a burnt finger and 3 minutes of your time. It's very simple, no tools required. If you guys want to see any more repair or fix it yourself videos, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.